turned up off that liquor. Time fucking with niggas.
Yes, indeed.
Watch the way we flexing. Got hoes all in my section. Wild ass bitches screaming out pocket money, I'm sweating. But I don't want that bitch. You can keep that bitch. She's a jump off, huh? I don't need that bitch. You call her wifey. Me, that's a likely. See, get your nigga. Bitch, he don't wanna fight me. Right. I'm a wild nigga. I drink a lot of liquor. I hang around wild boys that got wild toys.
Wild toys, pull up, make block noise. Call us block boys, bike boys, no wheat meal toys. Pull up Kawasaki, monster try to stop me. Occasion I'm a monster, and I will find you. Leave your mom diminished, and your father replenished by that 32, and that's that judge sentence. And I ain't talking Apple products, bitches calling. Your mom's a sex coffin, your little sister talking.
Where he at, huh? I say stomp him out and break his jaw and ask him if he still wanna talk it out. We'll talk to niggas, no bullshit. Don't wanna rap with niggas. I got a full clip, I spit 16. I ain't talking about balls, I'm talking about that shit that flatten the title of your car. It's nothing, nigga. You running, nigga. I'm a monster, boy. I'm coming, nigga.
Metaphors, man. Punchlines, man. Upcoming monster. Respect my prime, fam. Only 20, dog. Rep 16. Extendos on that 9. But that bitch clean. Clean her every day. She got bodies, though. Every time I talk, she like she tryna catch a homie, though. I'm like, damn. Lead a block, fam. I got hard raw. And I pop it off. She
Got a
pop
new
mine.
hammer, no papers on it. He said it's coming in the mail, so bitch, I'm waiting on it. I'm at the house now, where the mailman at? Tell that nigga I'm a killer, yes, tell him that. Send him a message, through a bird. I'ma body that nigga, yes, that's my word. I'ma come to your block, I'ma let them shots, I'ma kill all them cops, I'ma kill every nigga you with. Fucking kill every nigga you get.
Every nigga you get, you gon' split that wig. And I ain't even gon' go fast. I'ma do this shit. I'ma ride it slow, like your mom's though. I'm not big pole, I got that llama flow. I'm sick with it, animal ballistics hit him. Big chopper split his ass up in that Christmas get him. I'm smoking loud, I'm smoking proud. I sit back and kick my feet up, but rock style. Gotta make back. And the show for them. March 15th, 93. Come test me, nigga. I got IDs.
Oh, I quit.
Yeah!